This is a story of a man that got into a car accident. He then went to the emergency room where he was seen by a physician assistant. A physician assistant's daily tasks are to take or review a patient's medical history, examine patients, order diagnostic tests such as x-rays of patients' injuries or illnesses, and give a treatment. The education needed is a master's degree from an accredited school, 2 years of postgraduate education after completing a 4-year degree. A salary is $77.6K to $125K a year, and an average of $96K. Job outlooks there's only a 30% growth in the year 2014. And some skills you need are strong interpersonal skills, compassion, leadership skills, self-confidence, analytical skills, and the desire to be a lifelong learner. Then he went to a clinical psychologist.
So a clinical psychologist's daily routine consists of diagnosing mental or emotional disorders through observations and psychological tests to formulate programs of treatment. They make around $100,000 a year, and it is necessary for them to have at least a master's of clinical psychology, but most of them have a doctorate. Some good skills to have if you want to be a clinical psychologist is good research skills, knowledge of psychological theory and practice, and good communication skills. Then he went to a low vision therapist.
A low vision therapist is also known as an optometrist. Their daily tasks are perform vision tests and analyze results, diagnose sight problems such as nearsightedness, farsightedness, and eye disease such as glaucoma, provide eyeglasses, contact lenses, and medications, and provide treatments such as vision therapy or low vision rehabilitation. Some education needed is a Doctor of Optometry degree program and obtain a license to practice in a particular state. Some courses are biology, chemistry, physics, English, and math. Their salary is $110,300 annual pay, and the job growth is 18% each year. Some skills needed are patience, people skills, and public speaking. The patient will be sent to a prosthodontist.
Prosthodontists' daily tasks and responsibilities are to scan the patient's teeth and fix their teeth by using prostheses like crowns and dentures. The education needed is to obtain a DDS, which is a Doctor of Dental Surgery, or a DMD, a Doctor of Dental Medicine, from a dental school, in which students typically need at least a bachelor's degree in order to be qualified for admission. The typical salary is $113,562, and the job outlook is 50% growth. And the skills needed for a prosthodontist are prosthodontics, orthodontics, dentistry, dental surgery, patient education, and quality management. The patient will then be sent to a chiropractor.
The education needed is a chiropractic degree and a state license. The salary is $64,440 per year. The job outlook has grown 17% since 2014. Skills needed is the ability to cope with the intellectual and physical demands of the training and the profession. Good communication and interpersonal skills. Coordination skills and the ability to show empathy and work sensitively with a range of patients. The daily tasks are to examine spine and posture, run tests or take x-rays, use heat or cold massage therapy and other methods to treat patients, and to focus on the connection between the nervous system and the spinal column. And then he went to the physical therapist.
The daily task for a physical therapist is consulting with the patients, diagnosing movements of the dysfunctional area of the body, assisting patients, and providing stimulation to that part of the body. The required education is a bachelor's degree, and then master's, and then doctorate of physical therapy degree. The entry-level education is a doctorate or a professional degree for 3 years. You need a state license in physical therapy. The salary for a physical therapist of lowest is $60K, the median is $86K, and the highest is $122K. The skills needed for a physical therapist is pain management, patient management, and helping regain the motion of that particular body part. The job outlook is the expected growth by 36% since 2014.